It's been said that a wealthy man was living in a village. अब अमीर है तो उसका नाम मुकेश रख लेते हैं. Mukesh was rich in terms of money but extremely poor when it comes to happiness. He was not finding inner peace of mind. It's been said that everywhere he used to go, he carried a bag full of diamonds, gold coins, and cash, which took his entire life to earn them. And always said that I'll gift my hard earned money to whomsoever will help me to find the way to achieve inner peace of mind. Mukesh approached many of them, but yet did not find the answer to it. But one fine day, there was a crazy person in the village named Gopal. He was not taken seriously by anyone. Gopal called upon Mukesh and said that no one in this village listens to me, but I can tell you the name of place where you can find the person who can surely help you to find a way to peace. Mukesh has already tried each possible way and failed miserably every time and decided to follow the instructions given by the Gopal. Very next day, Mukesh went to the place which was suggested by Gopal and find that someone is sitting beneath banyan tree. Mukesh starts talking to that person and said that I have heard that you can tell me the way to inner peace. The name of person was Nasiruddin. He smiled and said Mukesh that I can't just tell you the way, but I can also make you feel peaceful. Mukesh went really happy. Mukesh was carrying bag full of hard-earned money and jewelry nearby to his chest, and out of excitement, Nasiruddin asked him, "What's inside that bag?" Mukesh explained Nasiruddin that I would like to give this bag full of my efforts to the person who will take me to the way to find inner peace. As soon as Mukesh said this, Nasiruddin snatched his bag and ran away onto the streets of village. But poor Mukesh was not aware about roads of village and couldn't run behind Nasiruddin because of his heavy weight. And in couple of minutes, Nasiruddin was totally invisible from the eyes of Mukesh. Mukesh went anxious and came back to the same banyan tree where he was sitting earlier. He was very upset and did not find any way to inner peace and have also lost everything which he had earlier. He got to know that why Gopal is termed as crazy person in his village, and Mukesh himself find foolish who have taken his instructions seriously. Mukesh went on crying and he was ideally sitting there for an hour. And in this situation he has lost all his control over himself. Mostly after an hour, Nasiruddin climbed back on that same banyan tree and asked Mukesh, "Hello sir, how are you?" Mukesh replied, "You idiot, you took all my lifetime earned money and jewelry and I was really in huge trouble." Nasiruddin immediately threw the bag of everything back and Mukesh catched the bag and held it tightly nearby to his chest once again and took a deep breath. Hence, Nasiruddin found peace on Mukesh's face. Nasiruddin asked Mukesh, "Do you feel calm now?" And he replied, "Yes," and said that I have never felt like this any time before. I would like to conclude that, my friends, there are several things in life, several resources, human beings, whom we take granted for, and we don't understand their value until the time we lose something. Can't we create a new way of living wherein every time, everywhere, every moment, we think that God has given us everything we want, and that's enough. Yes, there might be several things which is missing, but one can surely believe in achieving those. But whatever is available to me, it's sufficient and I am really thankful for it. I promise that if you follow this way of living, your life would be easy and simplified. दोस्तों, किसी शायर ने खूब ही लिखा है कि सोच को बदलोगे तो सितारे बदल जाएंगे, नज़र को बदलोगे तो नज़ारे बदल जाएंगे। कश्तियाँ बदलने से कुछ नहीं होगा। आई रिपीट, कश्तियाँ बदलने से कुछ नहीं होगा, दिशाओं को बदलोगे तो किनारे बदल जाएंगे। I would like to request you all to bring a change in how you think and welcome the new life, because your inner calmness will protect you when the world around you starts crumbling. So stay calm, stay strong. This was Pal. Thank you.